Oh no, looks like rain.
Storm incoming!
Wait, did you hear that?
I hear something over there.
Easy. We don't want to scare them.
We've got this. They'll stay warm here.
They're safe now.
Far out. The storm's moving on.
See you at our next adventure.
If you like our adventures,
Please share.
like and subscribe, man.
In the backyard where the sunshine plays, every single day brings brand new ways to explore. Discover life and roam with Charlie and the pups. You're never alone. Backyard adventures, come along and see the magic in the little things right behind the trees. Backyard adventures, the Teddy, Tiggy, Tiny Two. There's a world of wonder waiting just for you. Backyard fun beneath the skies. Every day's a new surprise. So grab your friends and join the crew. Backyard adventures start with you.